In this video I'm going to show you camera tips and tricks for the Nokia XR21. So first of all, we can start from the volume buttons. They are located on the right side. We can simply click on the volume up or volume down and we can take the photo. When you click and hold one of this button, as you can see, we can take the series of the photos one more time. Click and hold it. And when you click, never mind, just click X to turn it off. When you click and hold the shutter button, you can also do the same. So we are holding, you can just click and the photos are taken with this mode. When you tap on the screen, you can decrease or increase the brightness level. To do this automatically, just click on the screen one time. When you want to use other options, so click here and you can add delay to your shutter between 3 or 10 seconds. There we go. You can also get more details on the photos by using this 64 megapixel mode. And as you can see, we can also click on the settings icon to open other advanced settings of the camera. So for example, we can switch the long press shutter to activate, for example, the burst shot. So take a look right now. Okay, looks like this function not working properly. Let's try one more time. Yeah, looks like the burst shot is not working and the phone. But as you can see, I just turn it on, so you can tell me if this function works in your case. And if you want to use other modes, you have to go for the left side, where you can find, for example, the camera pro mode. There's also the dual side mode. This mode allows you to record videos from the two cameras at the same time, from the selfie camera and from the rear camera. And yeah, you can also control more parameters of your photos by going to the pro mode. And basically that's all for the few camera tips on the Nokia XR21. That's all for this video, hope you like it.